Kaiping OUBAO Sanitary Ware Hardware Company Limited was founded in 2006. Owns a brand Sunlin registered in Germany. It is a professional manufacturer committed to R&D developing, producing, market for modern designs and high-quality faucets. As a manufacturer of top-grade sanitary ware hardware products, ODM and OEM and project collections. We and the associated factory own over 10,000 square meters of automatic production line, 3,000 square meters warehouse for spare parts and finished products. We adopt QMS and ERP system to control every step strictly to ensure quality and delivery on time. Sunlin products have passed the international certifications such as CUPC, NSF-61, Low Lead, CE, and 100 Design Patent certifications. We have casting equipment, machining center, automatic precision polishing, grinder and automatic assembly line, full set laboratory and checkout equipment. With the ability of technology research and development and advanced hardware platform, we make sure every process is excellent from material control, mold designing and developing, to high-efficiency die casting production, high-precision polishing and plating. We believe that the power of designs will have a positive impact on people's lives and turn the daily chores into a beautiful thing. We strive to transcend the boundaries of design to create the best kitchen and bathroom experience and make people's life better.